House restoration update for whatever day this is. I can't even remember at this point. So back entrance, not a lot of change here. Bathroom, same, not a lot of change. We do have some extra stuff going on here in the laundry room. We got somebody coming over helping us with plumbing. So put in a couple or the washer boxes and did some really nice plumbing to replace the stuff that was going to the water heater. And that is all getting ready for eventually a tankless system that'll replace that guy. So pretty excited about that. Got to clean all this mess up. All right, kitchen. Kitchen's looking awesome. Got all the hardwood floor in, living room, dining area, kitchen, the whole deal. There's the chop saw for doing flooring. We put one of the cabinets back in its place. It's not affixed yet, but it's back there, which is cool. Range would go there. Here's all of our new plumbing, super tidy. Really loving that action right there. Coming around, so you can see here, we've moved everything out of our bedroom where it was being stored out into here and the spare bedroom. So that's the sink cabinetry, there's the range, and then the dish machine. You can see our hardwood floors go all the way up there like that. Looking pretty good. So there's kind of the other side. Still need to do the base and case. We'll replace all of our door trim because it's not going all the way to the floor. You can see this is where all our stuff was being stored. This is the bedroom Shane and I sleep in. So that's all been torn out. All those original subfloors are out. We've got reinforcement on the joists. We've got the vapor barrier in. We just finished that literally minutes ago. Got the insulation in that side there. Still more insulation to go on this wall, but this joist isn't in place yet. Paul's still figuring out where that goes, so we'll do that insulation in a bit. Behind this insulation right here, we did more concrete work to reinforce. Vapor barrier, that's our closet right there. Vapor barrier goes all the way underneath, taped it and tied it to the other side. So that's super great. Coming back out, and last room is the spare room here. This is where a bunch more stuff is, but just wanted to show you guys. Boom. Yeah, got the flooring all done. All back in the closet there, you can see. And then all up this wall all the way to that wall. So yeah, good times.